This is Ginger. Come here, Ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger, come here. This is Ginger. She's about 7 years old. She's a great Shar-Pei, very calm and relaxed. She's about 55, 60 pounds. Loves other dogs. She is available with her son, Roger, who is in the 5 to 6 year old range. That's Roger. He is a good 75 pounds. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. They're both super calm, like to relax, great with other dogs. They are strong. They don't necessarily pull on a walk, but walking two of them is a lot of dog. They don't require a lot of space. They're house trained. Hey, babies. And they're just looking for a nice home to relax and give kisses and licks. Hey, Roger, Ginger, come here. Hi, good boy. You can get more information at paypeople.com.